Hello and welcome to jolly old England. My name is Taryl and I am Taryl's nephew over here in jolly old England. For those of you that have joined the Friends of Taryl Fixes All Facebook group, we're doing a giveaway. The giveaway is very simple. All you have to do is put a hashtag Taryl Fixes All in the comment section below and you can be in for a chance to win some fantastic prizes. We're only giving away 2 lots of prizes, one for the first prize and one for the runner-up, and it'll be absolutely spliffing. So the first prize is going to be one of these lovely t-shirts. You pick the colour, black or grey, and any size. And also Pro Parts Direct have also generously given us all this lot here as well as part of the giveaway on top. So that's fantastic. There's also going to be a sneaky little runner-up prize which will be absolutely spliffing, which is this lot here also from Pro Parts Direct. So thank you very much Pro Parts Direct for giving us all this lovely Taryl Fixes All stuff. All you have to do is enter into the comment section below, hashtag Taryl Fixes All, and I'll be doing the draw very soon. If you could all enter, that'd be fantastic. The only other stipulation is you must join the Friends of Taryl Fixes All Facebook group. We'll be checking to make sure there's no you scallywags not doing as you're told, but hopefully you'll all join that group and I'll be absolutely happy as Larry if you do so. So look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you very much and all the best. Tally ho!